Hey guys, welcome to Scrummy Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you all how to make paneer pepper fry. So you might think why this girl is always making paneer recipe, because I love paneer and paneer is one of my favorite, and that is why I'm making all recipes which comes under paneer. So this is really very easy and interesting recipe, and it's also very simple. You can all try it at home. So before we getting started, let me tell you the ingredient needed for the recipe. Here I have taken 400 grams of paneer cut into cubes, onion, 2 medium sized onion finely chopped, 1 medium sized green capsicum finely chopped, and here I have some masala powders which is for the marination of the paneer. So I have taken half teaspoon of salt, some turmeric powder, and around 2 teaspoon of chili powder. And this is for the another masala which is mainly for the pepper fry. So that is for that I have taken jeera, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 3 green red chilies, and I have taken 3 teaspoon of pepper, which is the main ingredient for the recipe. And here I have some salt. So without wasting time, let's get started. Here I have taken a bowl. To this I am adding the paneer. To this I am adding these ingredients and start marinating this. Now I have mixed this well, and this has to marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes. So until then, stay tuned. Now 30 minutes is over. Now let's open and see. So this is nicely marinated. Now here I've taken a pan. I've added some oil. To this oil I'll be adding this paneer, and we are going to make it a shallow fry. Now I've added the paneer to the pan. Now start frying this. This has to turn into nice golden brown color. You can see this has turned into nice golden brown color. Now I can transfer this into a bowl. So now the paneer is ready. Now let's start preparing the pepper fry. For that, here I have taken kadai, and in this we are going to dry roast some ingredients for the masala. This now I am adding all these ingredients. So on a low flame, start roasting this. Just slightly roast it, do not burn it. This has roasted well. Now you can transfer this into a mixer. I have transferred it into a mixer. Make sure the mixer is not wet. It has to be completely dry, because you're going to make a dry powder. So now let me grind this and come. The powder for the pepper fry is ready. You can see how nice fine it is. So now let's start preparing. For that, here I've taken a kadai and I've added some oil to this. Now let me add all the onion and the capsicum. Now I'm adding the onion. Now cook this well. Now to this I'm adding the capsicum. Saute this well. Don't overcook it, because I love the onions and the capsicum to be quite crispy. So don't overcook it. To this I am adding some salt. Just add a little bit of salt, because I have already added the salt in the paneer for the marination. So add accordingly. So out of that powder, I have taken about 1.5 tablespoons of this powder. So add this and mix this well. So at this stage, if you're feeling it too dry, you can add butter or oil. Now I'll be adding some garlic butter, but it's purely optional. If you don't have garlic butter, you can add the normal butter or oil, but only only when you're feeling it is dry. Okay. Now I'm adding a small cube of butter and mix this well. So at this stage I am adding the paneer. Now mix this well. You needn't overcook it because already the paneer has cooked, the onions and the other masalas has got cooked. You just have to mix it and you have to serve this. And the delicious paneer pepper fry will be ready. Now the yummy and spicy paneer pepper fry is ready. I've garnished with some onions and coriander leaves. You can see how nice it is. This is really yummy and very tasty, delicious. Oh god, I'm drooling now, seriously. So even I think you people, after watching this, even you might drool. But without drooling, just go and do this recipe. You will definitely love this. It's the best starter that you could have. It's an easy starter that you could prepare at home. So definitely you have to try it at home. So if you like this recipe, like the video, share the video, comment the video, and do not forget to subscribe to Scrummy Kitchen. For more notifications, hit the bell button. Thank you.